Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Jogoyan bin Muhammad Tarmizi and my matric number 253288. Now I will make presentation about my project proposal, which is Smart Restaurant System. Smart Restaurant System, or known as SRS, is a mobile application which is the future of restaurants, catalogs and order taking. It is easy to use that replaces the old conventional restaurant catalog, while it also works as a point of sale POS system. This application provides smart system in the restaurant by using QR technology to replace the traditional restaurant system in which there exist various people for doing different works. This application also provides efficiency and give better quality of service to customers and will attract more customers to get this quality service. Smart restaurants is also ideal for cafes, bar, and every food and beverage serving business. Now the problem statement. First problem statement is too many mistakes using manual ordering process. By using manual ordering process, it may result in human error. This is the common mistake in any restaurants. Many people already experience this kind of mistake. The waiter made mistakes when noting the customer orders. This may result in resources waste when the kitchen needs to make another food to the customer, and it will take time longer than usual to complete the food. This may result in dissatisfaction from the customers. Second is restaurant service are slow, especially during rush hours. During rush hour, customer may be too many to be served by the waiters. Waiters also will rush to serve the customer and may make unfair decision when the later customer are served first than the earlier customer, especially when others customers' food come first. This quality of service may drop, thus causing unsatisfactory of customers. And the last one is restaurant need to hire more waiters to maintain their reputation. Problems during rush hour, the restaurant may make decision to hire more waiters to reduce the problems. But if there are too many waiters are hired, it may be wasted of resources during non-busy hour. The waiters may just do regular work for all day without doing good to the restaurant. This may cause the restaurant to spend more money to pay the employee, which are not good to the restaurant financial. This project objective is to design smart restaurant system, to develop smart restaurant system, and to test the smart restaurant system. Next is project scope for smart restaurant system. Target user. The system will be used by Runabout Grill restaurant, and the functionality for customer. Customer can choose to walk in, take away, and choose delivery. And the other is the user is admin, which is the Runabout Grill staff. Tool. SRS user interface is a mobile application. It is developed by using Flutter, which is Dart language and PHP language for the database. For duration, the duration of this project is 2 semesters. The system must be developed as proposed in the deadline. The first semester works is to propose the documentation. In the end of first semester, the system prototyping must be worked to present before the semester break. For the second semester, the project focus will be on development phases such as design, coding, testing, and maintenance. Next is project significance. Smart restaurant system will help the customer to save time by providing facilities like vacancy list at reception, digital food ordering, instant billing, food processing info, which will result in customer satisfaction and ultimately profit the restaurant. This smart restaurant system save time, reduce human errors, reduce manpower, and give customer satisfaction, thus beneficial for both restaurant and customer. It gives a fine dining experience to the customers. The system provides efficiency and accuracy with cost effectiveness for restaurants. Next is the project methodology for smart restaurant system. Smart restaurant system use rapid application development (RAD). The reason why this project using RAD is because due to lack of time and human resource to develop the system. So a quick time process is needed for every phases in order to develop on time. RAD is a segmenting process which segments the software into pieces and speed delivery of functionality to end user rather than delivering all the software functionality in one large implementation. This methodology consists of 4 phases, which is requirement planning, prototyping phase, testing phase, and cutover phase. In the preliminary stage, requirement analysis start from testing other existing smart restaurant system such as restaurant post order in order to get some ideas and current problem on the system. In the same time, survey also will be conducted to UM student because most of them act as customer were having some idea on the need of functionality for the system. After the requirement analysis, the next phase only can start once agreed upon from our lecturer and also supervisor. Second phase is prototyping phase. This is the most important phase to show the user model to verify whether those requirements are fulfilled in the system. In this phase, the user requirement is fully transformed into a user model and start constructing into prototyping based on the model. Construction here come to the system development task. After the requirement justification from target user, various R&D tools will be used to transform the prototyping to real system. The entire SRS or Smart Resource System user interface element will be included in the system based on the testing prototype in the tested prototyping. In this process, target user requirement can be added on SRS to enhance the functionality and able to do modification and improvement until the target user are satisfied. Third phase is testing phase. In this phase, it includes software testing and also user testing. Software testing is stated by developer intent to find the syntax and logic error. The syntax and logic error on the system will be corrected and reboot. The process is end until the system is robustness. Then, the user only can test the system in terms to evaluate the usability, functionality, performance, and the satisfaction. They evaluate result of the user testing recorded for the future improvement and enhancements. Last phase is cutover phase. Once the full-scale testing is complete, the developer will implement for the last time before officially present to the audience. Once everything is complete, this SRS will be officially present as testimonial to the public and launched at the choose restaurant. Lastly, all the related document and final report are then complete. Next, this is the Gantt chart for Smart Restaurant System. This is the Gantt chart for Project 1, which is this semester. For this semester, we will do the topic selection for week 1 and week 2, preparing proposal for week 3 and until week 5. Presentation is in week 6. The requirement analysis is from week 7 until week 9. Presentation is week 10 and the fidelity is week 11 until week 14. Next this is the Gantt chart for project 2. High fidelity is from week 1 until week 3 and the presentation is on week 4. Testing a report starting from week 5 until week 7 and the submission also from week 5 until week 7. The for poster is on week 8 until week 11 and the final report from week 12 until week 13 and the final product is delivered on week 14. That's all from me. Thank you, and for any question you can find me at my email and my account for Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook.